Hey Galaxy users, it's me Ans and I'm back with another video. So guys, after a long time I'll be making a video of Galaxy themes for you because lots of users asked me about the best Galaxy themes for their device. So I thought to make a video on top 5 best official Galaxy themes. So if you guys are interested in this video, do hit that like button and let's start the video. First of all, I am so sorry that I am showing a broken phone to you. So this is the very first theme of our list. This theme looks really amazing and the icon packs of this theme is really amazing because this theme has a red accent color and the wallpaper of this theme is amazing. If we talk about the notification panel, so the notification panel of this theme is also looks very amazing and the lock screen of this whole theme is really great. The clock of the lock screen is really looks amazing and the font is great and the all over the interface of this theme is amazing and the dialer of this theme is really looks good. If you wanted to download this theme, you have to go into the theme store of the Samsung and search Jane Color Space. I have also given its link in the description. You can also navigate into the description box and download this. This one is the second theme of our list. You can see the icon pack of this theme is really look amazing and this theme has a rounded shaped icon pack. If we talk about the home screen, this theme applies a great home screen wallpaper and the notification panel of this theme is really look amazing. This theme has an accent color of purplish accent color and the lock screen of this theme looks amazing. You can check out this and the dialer of the theme is amazing. As you can see here, the all over the interface of the theme looks amazing. To download this theme, you have to navigate into the Galaxy theme store and you can search for this theme. The name of the theme is Ripe UX. I have also given its link in the description box. You can also go to the description box and check this out. So this is the third theme of our list. The theme looks amazing and the icon packs of this theme is in the squarish form. You can see the icon packs of this theme is really looks amazing and the notification panel of this theme looks amazing with the accent of purple color and the theme has a dark background. Theme looks amazing. So the dialer has a different type of font and if we talk about the lock screen, so lock screen also looks amazing with this type of font and the theme is really looks very great. If you wanted to download this theme, you have to navigate into the theme store of Samsung and search for the Black Dream Color Bubbles. This theme is really looks amazing. If you wanted to download, just you can search this out and download, and if you don't wanna search, I have also given its link in the description. You can go and check this out. The fourth theme of our list has a different style with the different type of icon packs and I really like this type of themes because the theme has a amazing type of icon pack. And if we talk about with the skin color of the accent, so the accent has a really great look. And if we talk about the dialer, so the dialer also have a nice accent. And the lock screen of this theme really looks amazing with this new and natural looking wallpaper and the theme looks amazing. If you wanted to download this theme, you have to navigate and search for Dark Moon, and if you don't wanted to search, I have given its link in the description. You can go there and check it out. The fifth theme of our list really looks amazing with some new and different type of accents. You can check that this theme has a really nice looking wallpaper with an green accent. See that the notification panel of this theme is really looks amazing with a purple color of the accent and the background of this theme is black. And if we talk about the icon packs of this theme really looks very weird and amazing. It has a neon effect on the icon packs. If we talk about the interface of the dialer, interface of the dialer looks amazing with a different type of fonts and the lock screen of this theme is also very interesting, and it has a 3D dynamic lock screen. If you wanted to download this theme, just navigate into the Galaxy theme store and search for Fresh Green Neon Eye Protector. Don't worry, I have also given its link in the description. So guys, that's up for today. I have also given all the links of the themes in the description box. You can check them out. If you want more videos like this, just tell me in the comment box. If I receive more than 10 comments related to the part 2 of this video, I'll surely make a video on it. It's me Ans and I'm just signing off.